Welcome back to Houston Life. This holiday season, if you want to stay connected, stream your favorite sports, movies, or shows, Xfinity Mobile has got you covered. Consumer expert Patricia Lopez is here to break it all down, the deals, the savings, these really cool gadgets. But tech, it seems, is a very popular thing this season.
Yeah, so Derek, thanks for having me here. So 57% of consumers this year want tech gadgets. The only problem is 10% of consumers are spending less this holiday season. People are really feeling the crunch. But hey, this is where Xfinity Mobile comes into play, and I love the deals they're having.
It's so true. People are feeling the crunch. You mentioned the deals. Paying like a mobile bill is something that for a lot of us, it's kind of like we're on autopilot, right? Yeah. But you guys, if you can shave off money for someone every single month, that adds up.
And that's exactly what we have. So the first product I want to talk about is the Xfinity Mobile Savings Calculator. This is basically where you're going to put in your plan that you currently have, how many lines you have, and what you're paying. It's going to spit out exactly how much money you're going to save if you make the switch. I'm telling you, up to $1,000 a year by making that switch. That is massive.
And we're talking, I mean, especially if you have multiple lines in your family, right? If you have mom and dad or the kids on your plan. Unlimited plans. This is also something that some people are still paying like overages on data.
I mean, it is crazy. This is unlimited plans. We've got an unlimited and an unlimited premium plan. So if you're a big streamer or you're a little streamer, there's a plan for you for as little as $30 a month for one line. Plus, if you already have Xfinity, you're going to be able to get a line for free up to 12 months. Again, over 1,000 savings there.
Wow.
Over the big
And it does really add up. I love the feature that you can do unlimited talk and text from the U.S. to Mexico, Canada, I mean, and to use in those countries. So if you fly down to Mexico for the weekend, no problem. Okay, let's talk about those mobile deals. Is that something that people can only get right now? Or you guys always have a deal, but right now the deals are extra good?
Right now the deals are extra good, and I want to tell you about the trade-in deals in particular. This is where you're going to save a ton of money, and we're going to go with the Xfinity Mobile trade-in deals. Xfinity Mobile is going to offer up to $1,100 off Apple, Samsung, and Google phones when you add that new line and you trade in an eligible device. Plus, who wants an iPad? Everybody does this time of year. $250 off an iPad, up to $170 off a Samsung tablet. And of course, this is everyone's big question. All right, I have a contract, Patricia. What do I do? Xfinity Mobile is going to buy out contract up to $500 because everyone doesn't want to be stuck with that money.
Yeah, totally.
That's a lot of money.
Totally. Let's talk about internet, because as the world gets more and more expensive, Patricia, everything is getting more expensive.
Yeah.
But if people sign up, they can actually lock in their internet price?
Yes, this is my favorite product that we have. It's the 5-year price lock guarantee.
So it won't go up?
You think about it. How many times do we get slammed because we're not checking our bills, we're not checking our phone, we're not checking our internet, we're not checking anything. This is a 5-year deal, no contracts. The equipment is included, and if you don't like it, that's okay too. You're not going to get slammed with another fee. This is a great way to check something out.
Locked in for 5 years.
I love that product.
Let's talk about the Xfinity app. And this, I think, is very, very clever. So this is a great way to kind of control the Wi-Fi in your house. So like if you're sitting at dinner and there's someone who's always on their phone, you can put a stop to that.
Yes, and what I love about this is that you have family over right now. Everyone's having movie nights right now with their families. You can say, hey, the kids are not going to love me. The Snapchat, the TikTok, we're not doom scrolling anymore right now, guys. We're going to put that Wi-Fi on pause. That Xfinity app will let you do that. Plus, it'll manage all your devices, and you can troubleshoot your devices as well.
Interesting. So you can see like which devices are online.
Yeah,
very sneaky. Hey, what's this about the Xfinity Multiview for soccer matches?
Okay, if you guys have a sports fan in your life, okay, my husband watches NFL 24/7. 4 screens at once in multi-view. You're talking about World Soccer, NBA. I mean, you're looking at 4 different games. Okay, who has I don't have the wherewithal to do that. My husband can do it.
Oh, people do
so
it.
well.
It's wild.
And so if you need to go shopping, this is something you can turn on for him and say, peace out, I'm going to go shopping. And it'll stay and watch TV the entire day.
And so how many matches can you watch at once?
Oh, you can watch 4.
4
live.
At once?
Yes. And you can stream other things on it as well. So tons to do there. I mean, I'm telling you, that is a gift that keeps on giving for that sports lover in your life.
This is so cool.
I know.
It's like having your own sports bar at home.
I know.
Okay, Patricia, let's talk let's talk about some of these gadgets you have with you on set today. What you got?
All right, so this typewriter, this is a Bluetooth typewriter. What I love about this, everything for the kids right now is so retro.
Yeah.
They think this is the coolest thing. They're like, I love feeling keys on my fingers. And if you have someone that's old school, But it's Bluetooth enabled.
I
so it's a
can't
great
believe,
tech.
Patricia, we're at a place in our world where
I
kids
know.
like the feeling of a
Yes.
keyboard.
Yes.
I took typing in 7th grade, and
Yeah,
it was
you
still
remember?
my favorite class
Oh,
of all
me
time.
too, me too.
So how does this work? You type it
You type it-
on that, and then it
exactly.
populates on whatever like digital device you want?
Exactly.
Is
You
that
plug
right?
it onto your phone, and it's going to read it just like you're typing on texting on a
Okay.
regular phone. And I love this. And how fun is that retro color?
It's
I love
great.
That.
Only, we're tight on time. What else you got?
Okay, meat thermometer. Everyone's baking and cooking right now. This is a perfect way to Bluetooth your meat temperature. And you can see it on your phone.
Okay,
it's,
hold
it's
on.
so
Let me
cool.
hold this up
How
so our
cool is
viewers
that?
can see this. Wow.
I know.
It is so smart. So for the chef in your life,
Yes.
this is
Or
a
the
very
non-chef,
clever,
maybe.
or the non-chef, yeah, maybe someone who needs it. Okay, last but not least, what do you have over here?
Okay, we got some really cool, everything is cool again, everything old is cool again, Tamagotchis, we've got a kids robots, we've also got the viewfinder. Remember those old school, that is not tech, but I had to add it because it's a hot item.
Oh, I
a little
remember those.
viewfinder, remember, it's so much fun.
Those are,
But
you
anyway.
can still buy those?
Yeah, you can
Those
still
are
buy
back.
those, $35.
Okay, and last but not least also,
Oh gosh, this is my favorite thing because I have 4 daughters, and with the devices and the car keys and everything, this is a great way to Wi-Fi all your stuff, know where it's at. Use 360 on this, and you're gonna know where all your devices are.
if you're prone to losing things,
yes.
that tile can really help you. Patricia Lopez, we're out of time.
Hey,
Thank
one
you so
final
much.
thing.
Yeah.
Xfinity, head to the store. They're going to help you there if you have any questions, because I know we talked about a lot of stuff.
That is
there.
very helpful.
So-
Yes, I like talking to actual humans once in a
Yes,
while
I
too.
love it.
Hey, you can connect with Xfinity online, xfinity.com. You can also check out that savings calculator Patricia was chatting about, xfinity.com/mobile. And as she just mentioned, you can always visit any Xfinity store in person. You can also call them 800-XFINITY.